Welcome guys, want to improve your English but don't know where to start? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you simple ways to learn English every single day without feeling overwhelmed. Stick around till the end for a fun challenge to boost your progress. Section 1. Start with the basics. First, build a strong foundation. Spend just 10 minutes a day learning new vocabulary and basic grammar. Use flashcards, apps like Duolingo or Anki, or even write down new words in a notebook. The more you see and use a word, the easier it sticks. Section 2. Practice listening skills. Listening is key. Watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos with subtitles. Start with simple content like children's shows, then move on to more complex material. Also, try listening to English podcasts while commuting or doing chores. Section 3. Speak every day. You learn best by speaking. Try talking to yourself in English while doing daily tasks. You can also use language exchange apps like HelloTalk to chat with native speakers. And don't be shy. Mistakes help you learn. Section 4. Read and write in English. Reading helps you learn sentence structure and new words. Read simple books, online articles, or even social media posts. To improve your writing, keep a journal or leave comments on English videos and posts. Section 5. Immersion techniques make English part of your daily life. Change your phone language to English, label items in your house, and try thinking in English. The more you surround yourself with the language, the faster you'll improve. Section 6. Join a community. Learning is easier with others. Join an online English learning group, take part in language challenges, or even attend English-speaking meetups. Surround yourself with people who encourage you. Fun challenge. Now here's a fun challenge for you. Comment below with a sentence using a new English word you learned today. I'll be reading and replying to your comments. Learning English every day doesn't have to be hard. Just a few small steps each day can make a huge difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video. Happy learning.